morning, children. In my last video of smart charts, you learned how to make a chapati chart. You remember the round chart which we had made, on which we wrote down who all love to wash utensils to help their parents, how many children like to go to the market to buy vegetables and all. I'm sure you must be remembering. So children, in this video, we are going to learn bar graphs. How to read bar graphs. Now, bar graphs are long bars which are drawn. Now children, by looking at the bars, we can get so much of information you are going to see in this video. What we have done, we have taken 4 different cities: Delhi, Shimla, Bangalore and Jaisalmer. Now Delhi is in the almost in the northern part of India. Shimla is a hill station, Bangalore is a coastal city, and Jaisalmer is a desert city. So what we have done, we have taken the highest temperature of these 4 cities on one day in summers and on another day in winters, and we are going to compare these temperatures in different cities. So children, with the help of this bar graph, you are going to learn a lot. So let us start.
Ad mad. Ragini loves to watch cartoons on television. One day, she thought of counting the number of ads during the breaks. She found that in each break there were 14 advertisements. In 10 of those ads, there were children as actors. Why do you think that children are used in so many ads? There must be some reason, children, that there are so many children in the ads. Okay, I will tell you the reason. This is a secret. Don't tell anyone. You know, actually, children are the ones who love to buy new things and try new things. When they see ads on the television, they request and persuade their parents to buy those products. And that is the reason that children are used in so many ads. Okay, use telemarks to count the number of ads during a short break in a program. Now children, this is a work for you. You have to use telemarks. Now I have taught you what are telemarks. Let us revise what are telemarks. For one ad, you will make this telemark you will make for one ad. When you see second ad, you will make it like this. This will be the telemark for 2 ads. For 3 ads, you will make a telemark like this. For 4 ads, you will make a telemark like this. And for 5 ads, you will make a telemark like this. So, you have to watch a program and you have to make telemarks. Were there ads during the news program? I think these days we see ads sometimes during the news program, but most of the times there are no ads in the news program. News programs, you generally get to see the news only, especially for the Doordarshan channel. Okay, try yourself. Here are 2 more things which you have to try, children. First one is, next time when you watch your favorite TV program, count the number of advertisements during each break, use telemarks, put a dot below the telemark when you find children in any of the advertisement. So this way you will come to know in how many advertisements children have been used. Compare with your friends. Do you get different answers? So children, this is an activity meant for you. And I'm sure all of you must be watching programs on the television, and most of you must be watching the programs which are very, very common amongst children, like cartoons and all. So in those programs, mostly children are used for the advertisements. Okay, so this you will do it yourselves. Okay, children, now this is one condition which is very, very interesting. Hot and cold. Have you seen the weather report on TV or in a newspaper? These are two bar charts. These show the highest temperature in degrees Celsius in four cities on two different days. The cities are Delhi, Shimla, Bangalore, and Jaisalmer. Okay, let me first explain it to you. Children, there are these four cities which have been taken: Delhi, Shimla, Bangalore, and Jaisalmer. Okay, now if you observe, Delhi is almost in the northern part of India. Shimla is a hill station. Bangalore is a city which is near the sea coast, close to the sea coast. And Jaisalmer is a city in the desert. So these are the four different types of cities, and the temperature of the daytime. The highest temperature of the daytime was recorded on 2 days. First of all, on 1st June, and secondly on 1st December. Now children, I'm sure you know that June is the summer season in India and December is the winter season in India, right? Okay, let us see the temperature of Delhi on 1st June. It was 33 degree Celsius. Since Shimla is a hill station, so on 1st June also the temperature was 22 degree Celsius. Now Bangalore is near the seashore, and you know that because of the sea winds, the temperature in the cities close to seashore remains pleasant. So the temperature on 1st June in Bangalore is 28 degrees. Now Jaisalmer is a desert area. So the temperature on 1st June in Jaisalmer is 38 degrees. Okay, let us study the temperature of these four cities on 1st of December, which is the winter season. In Delhi, on 1st of December, the maximum temperature was 23 degrees. Now, Shimla is a hill station, so the temperature of Shimla on 1st December is 10 degrees Celsius. The temperature of Bangalore on 1st December is 24 degrees Celsius, and the temperature of Jaisalmer on 1st December is 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, let us see how we are going to answer the questions. The first question: which city is the hottest on 1st June? Okay, children. Now, 1st June, just by looking at these bar charts. Okay, children. Now, we have to find out which city is the hottest on 1st June. So children, these charts which I have shown you, they are called bar charts. Why are they called bar charts? There has to be a reason. Because these long bars, you can see, they look like chocolate bars. Yes, they look like chocolate bars. I'm sure you must have eaten Kit Kat. The Kit Kat has got long bars. So that is why these are called bar charts. By just looking at these bars, we can make out that Jaisalmer is the hottest on 1st of June. Why? Because the temperature is 38 degrees Celsius. So the hottest city on 1st June is Jaisalmer. Okay. Now second question. Which city is the coldest on 1st December? Now, 1st December, look at this bar chart. Now, Shimla is a hill station. So, see children, the lowest temperature is there in Shimla, and that is 10 degrees Celsius. So, Shimla is the coldest on 1st December. So, we will write here Shimla. Okay, third question. Which city shows little change in temperature on 2 days, 1st June and 1st December? Okay, so we have to subtract. Now, first of all, Delhi. We have to subtract the temperature of Delhi on 1st June and 1st December. 1st June it is 33 and 1st December it is 23. So 33 minus 23 is 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, let us see Shimla, the difference of temperature in Shimla. On 1st June, the temperature of Shimla is 22 degrees Celsius, and on 1st December, the temperature of Shimla is 10 degrees Celsius. So 22 minus 10 will give us 12 degrees Celsius. So the difference between temperature in Shimla on 1st June and 1st December is 12 degrees Celsius. Now let us come to Bangalore. In Bangalore, on 1st June, the temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. And on 1st December, the temperature is 24 degrees Celsius. So 28 minus 24 will give us 4 degrees? Yes, 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, now we come to Jaisalmer. Jaisalmer. So the temperature of Jaisalmer in summers is 38 degrees and in winters it is 25 degrees. So 38 minus 25, 8 minus 5 is 3 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So the difference is 13 degree Celsius in Jaisalmer. So children, four, when we observe these four differences in temperature, the city which shows little change in temperature on 2 days is Bangalore. Why? Because the difference in temperature is only 4 degrees Celsius. So, Bangalore is the city which has the minimum change in temperature on 2 days, 1st June and 1st December. And that is the reason, children, we study in EVS that the cities near coastal regions have moderate climate. And you know why they have moderate climate? Because of the sea breeze and the land breeze. Okay. Now children, there is another sum which you have to try yourself. On any one day, Choose any three cities and record their temperature from TV or newspaper. You can do it with the help of internet also. Make a bar chart in your notebook and ask your friends a few questions about it. See if they can understand your chart or not. Okay, children, you try this on your own, and in the last video, I will teach you how to make bar charts. Once I finish this chapter, I will teach you how to make bar charts. That's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.